Hi, Sharon and Klingler back again with you. And in this segment, I wanted to share with you the kinds of things that they give us to share their insights and information when we ask questions. And in very many ways, it's kind of like the same things we get when we talk to each other now. We get words, we get images, we get body language, we get music and sounds, and we get tastes and smells. Those are the senses and the experiences we get from spirit too. We already experienced words and phrases, and spirit will drop words and phrases and ideas into our right brain and into our mind telepathically. We also get images and visions. So that's if you're clairvoyant, that's what you will tend to get. If you're clairaudient, you'll get the words. Now, body language is a bit different in physical. When in the physical world, body language is when we see people hold themselves like this or hold a different stance or posture. But in spirit language, body language is when they give us a pressure and they identify themselves with a tickle on the cheek. They might have had a beard, or we might feel like we have a pressure in our stomach, or we might even just think of our stomach if they had stomach problems or stomach ailments, or we might feel like shuffling our feet if they had a limp, or if we might feel like dancing if they like to dance. So body language is quite a bit different in the spirit world communication because it's very kinesthetic. We feel the movement. We feel like we want to make a movement at least, or we think we might want to make a movement. And that's what body language is in the spirit world, or spirit world makes us want to feel that way. And in terms of tastes and smells, we don't ever really taste something, and we very rarely smell something. Also, although sometimes I will get a tiny little whiff of cigarettes or roses sometimes. But really, it's more like a memory of a smell or a memory of a taste. And so those, in a very quick nutshell, are the types of things that we get in terms of sensations from spirit. In the book, you'll learn and have the experience much more about all of these things in the book, Answers from the Ancestral Realm. But that's an overview of what we get from spirit. And again, it's an inner sensation, not a physical five senses sensation at all. We do not experience spirit the way we experience the physical world. And you have to caution yourself not to expect things like that, because if you do, you'll be taking yourself down the wrong path. Expectations lead you to the left brain, and the left brain will lead you away from the experience of spirit. Only the right brain is the right way to experience spirit. You got to remind yourself that, okay? The right brain is the right way to experience spirit. So just give yourself over to the imaging side of the brain, okay? So let yourself discover that in the book, and we'll be doing more of that. And also, we'll be talking in our next segment about symbols. And that's one of my favorite things to do because, of course, as a clairvoyant, spirit has been showing me symbols for 40 years, and it's so much fun to experience the symbolic world with symbols. Thank you very much for joining me, and you have a blessed day.